What if I told you, the best stand mixer for home bakers in 2025 costs less than your weekly grocery bill? Bread. Our team tested 18 models with pastry chefs. These 5 delivered pro results without the pro price tag. Wait till you see number 2. It handles sourdough like a $500 machine. All links below. Let's get mixing. Number 1. Hamilton Beach Electric Stand Mixer. Effortlessly mix thick batters and doughs for bread, cookies, and more. With a powerful 300-watt motor, this Hamilton Beach stand mixer will easily handle the ingredients for all your homemade baked goods from cupcakes and cookies to bread. Versatile, 7 speeds, slow first speed and mixing guide. A helpful guide on top of the electric mixer helps you choose the right speed for the job. The slow first speed is great for kneading bread and reducing splatter when adding dry ingredients to wet ingredients. Complete bowl coverage. The planetary mixing action rotates the beaters around the 4-quart stainless steel bowl for even and complete hands-free mixing. The stand mixer has the same rotating mixing action as KitchenAid stand mixers, *. Includes everything you need. In addition to the stainless steel bowl with handles, the stand mixer comes with a splash guard, dough hook, whisk and flat beater. The bowl and the stand mixer attachments are all dishwasher safe. Number 2. Cuisinart Stand Mixer. Delivering power, precision and performance, our stand mixer features a 5.5 quart capacity with a 500-watt motor, die-cast metal construction, and 12 speeds that allow for nuance and excellence in performing a variety of preparation tasks. Must-have features: polished stainless steel bowl, tilt-back head, and 1 power outlet for optional attachments. Included: chef's whisk, dough hook, flat mixing paddle, and splash guard with pour spout. Also included is an instruction manual and recipe book. Optional attachments and colors: pasta extruder, pasta roller and cutters, ice cream maker, meat grinder and spiralizer, all colors available in silver lining, onyx, periwinkle blue, ruby red, white linen and robin's egg. Limited 3-year warranty. Refer to user manual for troubleshooting steps and questions surrounding warranty policies. This product is BPA free. Number 3. COOKLEE Stand Mixer. Large stainless steel mixing bowl offers enough capacity. Each COOKLEE kitchen electric mixer comes with a dough hook, flat beater, wire whip, and pouring shield avoiding mess kneading process. Sturdy and reliability. This electric food mixer practices a combination of classical and popular. We upgraded high-performance 660W motor to make your kitchen in a lower operation noise while working. The best ornament in your kitchen you shouldn't miss. Full speeds TO suit any recipe. The powerful performance of planetary mixing action for mixing bread dough, thick batters, meringues, and whipping cream, plus lower speeds for stirring and finessing your most delicate concoctions. Additional pulse setting for quick blitzing. COOKLEE is an ISO-certified leading manufacturers and suppliers, specialized in the development, production, and sales of stand mixer and related kitchen appliances. Our products have obtained ETL and GMARC certification and are exported to the United States, Canada, Britain, Germany, and other countries. Number 4. VIVOHOME 7.5 Quart Stand Mixer. High-performance 660W motor finishes kneading and mixing quickly and thoroughly than human hands. Handy 6-speed control with a pulse function for all your food tasks or recipe preparation needs. Sturdy and safe bowl. Food-grade stainless steel bowl with fine polish, durable and safe, ensures the health of you and your family. Large 7.5 QD capacity meets normal kitchen needs and easily makes cakes, breads, cookies, salad dressing, etc. Attachment set comes with 3 multi-purpose accessories: aluminum dough hook, stainless steel wire whisk and aluminum mixing beater. Different tool accessory matches various kitchen needs, such as making dough, biscuits, pastries, muffins, waffles, etc. Notes: the attachments are not dishwasher safe. Tilt head shield. The tilt head design makes bowl and attachments easy to install and detachable, able to see through the cover, allow for process monitoring or water checking. Pour water, milk or other liquid ingredient anytime through the hole on splash shield. Number 5. Ankarsrum Assistent Original AKM. The stand mixer from Ankarsrum uses a stainless and carbon steel frame with chrome-plated knobs to give it a shiny exterior. It includes a stand mixer dough hook, roller, scraper, spatula, single-wire cookie whip, a 7-liter stainless steel bowl, and a 3.5-liter BPA-free Tristan plastic bowl, all of which help in making your baking and cooking preparations easier. The electric mixer also has a 600W powerful motor with self-adjusting speed control to cream butter, knead dough, whisk eggs, and do several other tasks. So, which mixer earned a spot in your kitchen? The Powerhouse number 1? Or the space-saving number 5? Comment your choice below. If this review saved you from overspending, do us a favor, smash that like button, share with your baking buddies, and subscribe. We're testing 2025's smartest kitchen tech next. All purchase links? Check the description. Happy baking!